So I want to walk you through templates, which I think is one of the more interesting features inside of PouncerAI, specifically as it relates to the AI component of our system. So remember that generate proposal is a combination of your profile, the job description, and the templates that we have inside the system. So templates are extremely important. You get one by default, but I'm going to show you how to add your own templates. And as you can see, we have lots of different templates that we use, and we can edit them, copy them, or delete them. But I'm going to go ahead and focus in on adding a template. So when you click Add Template, you'll see this modal that comes up, and you can start from scratch or use our starter template, or you can use one of our templates that we've already created for you. So if you're struggling with copywriting or you just want to have some ideas to kind of start with, this template list gives you all sorts of different types of proposal templates that are very strong when it comes to getting people's attention. So let's go ahead and I will use this one. I love this project. I always like this one because I think people like it when you are excited about what they're going to work on. So you'll notice that we have I love this project. That's the name of our template. We have a description and we can put in anything that we want. So I can just say this is for web development, which is perfectly fine. The next thing that you'll have to do is associate a profile with it. So in your profiles that you've created up in PouncerAI, you can go ahead and pick one from the list. I'll go ahead and use the Daniel Webb one. And so now I can use this profile when I am talking to the AI system, specifically to say, who is this, that when I say me, who is it, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual template itself. You'll see in here a combination of these green highlights and then just regular text. So everything in green is an actual AI prompt. So if you've been using OpenAI and creating up your own prompts, well, this is essentially the prompt. So what basically we do is we take a look at curly brackets and we say anything inside of a curly bracket, this is an AI prompt. That's how we instruct our system to say this is an AI prompt versus canned text. So in this case, you'll see I have canned text that says how I can help you see below. I could say that. Let's see below if I wanted to. Okay, so we can basically combine AI prompts and your own canned text into one template and then use the OpenAI system to take your information from your profile and then apply it to the actual template along with the job information. Now, what's also cool about this, and let me go ahead and remove this out because I don't really need this right here, is another cool feature of this is that I can click on this AI icon in the toolbar. Now what this does is it pulls up another modal which says, hey, if you want to create up your own prompt, you can do that with a blank snippet or maybe pick one from the list that we provide for you. So if you're struggling with how to create up your own AI prompt, well, we have a list that you can pick from that are specifically designed for Upwork. So I'll go ahead and say, oh, I don't know, let's go ahead and use this one. You will love this project. So that's what we were working on. And you'll notice that we have essentially the same copy that we have above there. So these AI snippets are really nice and you can use them for different elements in your proposal. You can also add in your own prompts. So let's say on this one, I want to say add a relevant emoji to the beginning of the sentence. So now what will happen is that in this particular prompt, it will go and write a sentence that expresses your enthusiasm, and it will instruct OpenAI to put an emoji that is related to this job at the very start of your sentence. So again, there's a lot that you can do with this. We come up with all sorts of different ways of creating up prompts, and we start with existing snippets that we then append and add to later. So I think what you're going to find with this is that these particular templates are excellent for helping you take everything about you and the job and applying for them so that when you go in and you click on jobs and you find a job that you like, when you click generate proposal, you will then come in and see, oh, there's that template that I have. And then now that you've created up that template, it'll take all that information, combine it together. So let's see what this actually looks like. Hey, let's take a look at this. As a seasoned web developer who also enjoys traveling, often uses short-term rental services, I'm thrilled about the opportunity to contribute to the Atlas Vacation Rentals project. Boom, very nicely done. Intro paragraph. Notice that emoji at the very beginning. That's all from the AI prompt. Here's that canned text that we had in here. Oh, look at that. How I can help you, see below. And then other elements of the actual template are included below, including the canned text that we had. Notice that, as well as, of course, an AI prompt for our signature line. So at the end of the day, this is just a very simple way of generating a proposal from your canned templates.